Breaking news, a Sasquatch just came out of her hut, and two teenagers saw it. So, okay, now, what are you, what's your name? No. What's your name? Sarah? What's your name?
Jaden.
So, Sarah and Jaden, how old are you?
10. I'm 10.
And what did you see?
Oh, a Sasquatch.
And what'd you do? And how do, let me get an interview. Which one of you? Who wants to go first? Come on. Okay.
Oh, get that thing away
Get away from me! Get away! Get away! What are they? Hi.
I just want to make you flowers. I'm not a Sasquatch.
No! You guys stay back there. Kids, stay back there. What are you and who are you and what's your name?
Sasquatch.
And why are you living here and why did you come out of your huts?
Because I wanted to give you guys flowers.
You darn Sasquatch! Come back here.